Today's problem is form the largest number, difficulty medium, accuracy, it's a little bit low, it's in the 30s, which concerns me, but here it is. Given an array of integers representing non-negative integers, arrange them so that after concatenating all of them in order, it results in the largest possible number. Since the result may be very large, return it as a string. Okay, that first one is the hardest one. Actually, let's start with the third one. So this, the principle here, if you just had digits, is go ahead and sort them in descending order and form them into a number. So it would be 9, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now this one, number 2, this one actually works out if you, this one, even if you sorted them no, it wouldn't work out if you sorted them as numbers, but as strings, if you sorted them as strings, descending, this one would work also. 60, 548, 546, 54, it's not always going to be the case though. This one, for example, the first one, so the 9 goes first, and then the 5, and then what do you do with the rest of them? Well, the 34 definitely comes before the 30, but where does the 3 go? It turns out the 3 goes in between the 34 and the 30. So 34, and then 3, and then 30. All right. How do you articulate and implement a sort to make this work? And it turns out that the way you can do it is, let's say that you have the, we're going to implement a custom comparator for strings in this case. And what we're going to do, let me move this so you can see the array and the implementation here. What we're going to do is concatenate the two strings in both orders. For example, where does the 3 come relative to the 30 or the 34? So first we'll concatenate 3 and 34. We get 3, 3, 4. Then we concatenate it the other way. We get 3, 4, 3. So since 3, 4, 3 is greater than 3, 3, 4, that means that we want the 34 to come first in descending order. Okay, we're comparing in reverse order here. So we have S1, we have S2. We put them together both ways, and we compare the second concatenation to the first. Okay, and same thing with 3 and 30. Concatenate it with the 3 first, we get 3, 3, 0. Concatenate it with the 30 first, we get 3, 0, 3. Well, since 3, 3, 0 is greater than 3, 0, 3, then we're going to take the 3 first. All right. I mean, that should work. What else? What else are we doing here? This is we're converting the int array to a string array. Then we're doing the sort with the custom comparator. There is a chance that actually, let's look at the constraints here. Constraints, array size is up to 10 to the 5th, 100,000. The elements in the array are between 0 and 10 to the 5th. Now, it doesn't say that the numbers have to be unique. and the array size can be 1. So it's possible that the array could just be a 0 or a whole bunch of zeros. We don't, now since the final thing here is to concatenate the sorted strings into the answer, we don't want to return a bunch of zeros as the answer. So what we're looking for is, well, this is an edge case. Maybe this is what throws off the accuracy. But if there's a 0 as the first element in the array, and the array is sorted in descending order, then there's nothing but zeros. In which case, we'll just return 0. And then again, concatenate everything, return it as a string. Okay? Let me do a quick sanity check on this. Yeah, that worked. Okay, and submit. Okay, that's it. What did we learn? A little bit about custom comparators. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will send you problems of the day on weekdays, every weekday in your inbox. Subscription is free, and we'll see you next time.